Introducing the Acer Predator Extreme PES017, a formidable off-road electric scooter, poised to revolutionize urban mobility with its rugged appearance and cutting-edge features. Unveiled during the much-anticipated Taipei Cycle 2023 event, this e-scooter has generated considerable buzz among enthusiasts and commuters alike, thanks to its impressive specifications and innovative appearance. At the heart of the Acer Predator Extreme PES017 lies a robust 350-watt motor, capable of delivering a peak output of 960 watt, providing ample power to conquer challenging terrains with ease. Equipped with a dual suspension system, this e-scooter ensures a smooth and comfortable ride, even when traversing rough and uneven surfaces. Whether navigating through bustling city streets or exploring off-road trails, riders can expect unparalleled stability and control. One of the standout features of the Predator Extreme is its exceptional torque, boasting a maximum torque of 40 Nm, enabling riders to effortlessly tackle inclines of up to 18%. Moreover, with 3 selectable speed modes, offering top speeds of 20, 25, or 32 km/h, users can tailor their riding experience to suit their preferences and comply with local regulations. Enhancing convenience and versatility, the Acer Predator Extreme PES017 is equipped with a swappable 48-volt 10.5 Ah battery, providing a respectable riding range of 35 km on a single charge. For those seeking to extend their adventure, the option to easily swap out the battery for an extra pack ensures uninterrupted exploration. Developed for optimal performance and safety, this e-scooter features a combination of front telescopic fork and rear shock absorber, effectively absorbing shocks and vibrations for a smoother ride. Additionally, the inclusion of 10-inch crocodile tires offers enhanced traction and stability, instilling confidence in riders regardless of the terrain. Safety remains paramount with the Acer Predator Extreme PES017, as evidenced by its hydraulic disc brakes and indicator lights, ensuring responsive braking and increased visibility in all conditions. Whether navigating busy city streets or embarking on off-road adventures, riders can ride with peace of mind, knowing that they are equipped with top-of-the-line safety features. In terms of pricing, the Acer Predator Extreme PES017 is expected to retail for approximately $1,400 in the targeted regions. This competitive pricing strategy positions the e-scooter as an attractive option for riders seeking a premium off-road experience without breaking the bank. As anticipation continues to build leading up to its release, the Acer Predator Extreme PES017 stands poised to make a significant impact on the e-scooter market. With its impressive specifications, innovative features, and global rollout plans, it's set to captivate riders across the world, offering an unparalleled blend of performance, versatility, and excitement. In summary, the Acer Predator Extreme PES017 represents a new era of off-road electric scooters, combining power, performance, and versatility in a sleek and rugged package. With its advanced features and uncompromising appearance, it promises to redefine urban commuting and adventure, offering riders an exhilarating and unparalleled riding experience. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, don't forget to hit the like button. Have a nice day and God bless you.